Good afternoon, Floridians. My name is Naomi Esther Blemur, and I'm your candidate for Florida Commissioner of Agriculture and Consumer Services. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a community advocate, and I'm a small business owner. I decided to run for this seat because Florida has become unaffordable. We cannot even put gas in our cars. A loaf of bread is $4.50. A family of two cannot find a two-bedroom apartment under $2,000. We cannot continue in this way. I'm running because we need to ensure that every child in the state has access to a nutritional breakfast and lunch. I am running because we as Floridians deserve better. We want to ensure that we keep the NRA out of our politics and that the concealed weapon license department is run freely, and that every person who applies that deserves to get a license gets it quickly, and those that should not are disqualified. I am running because I want to ensure that we can leave a better Florida for our children and our grandchildren. Come November 8th, 2022, I want you to vote Naomi Esther Blemur for Florida Commissioner of Agriculture and Consumer Services. I guarantee you, I won't let you down.